Welcome to Realtecshop, your go-to hub for the latest tech reviews and unboxings. Today, we've got our hands on the brand new HP 255 G10 laptop, a device that's built for business but also perfect for fun. Whether you're working from home, attending meetings, or streaming your favorite shows, this laptop promises to deliver. Let's dive into an unboxing. Take a closer look at the specs and see how it performs in real-life tasks. Is this the laptop for you? Let's find out. Alright, let's start with the unboxing. The HP 255 G10 comes in a sleek, eco-friendly box, showcasing HP's commitment to sustainability. Opening it up, we find the laptop safely packed with minimal plastics. Just what we like to see. Along with the laptop, there's the power brick, some basic documentation, and an Ethernet cable for those who still prefer a wired connection. Now, let's take a closer look at the laptop itself. The first thing that strikes you is the build. The HP 255 G10 boasts a clean, professional look. Yet it's designed to be portable and lightweight. At just around 1.74 kilograms or 3.84 pounds, it's perfect for carrying around without feeling bulky. The matte finish on the body gives it a premium feel, even though this is a budget-friendly laptop. Now, let's talk about what's inside this powerhouse. This model comes with a Ryzen 3 7330U processor, a great mid-range processor that beats the Intel i5-1135 G7 in most benchmarks. The processor is paired with 16 GB of RAM, making multitasking a breeze. Whether you're running numerous browser tabs, working on a presentation, or editing photos, this laptop can handle it all. And with 1 TB SSD storage, you've got more than enough space for your files, media, and games, while ensuring that boot-up times are near instant. On the connectivity side, the HP 255 G10 is well equipped. You've got your HDMI port, USB-C for faster data transfers, Ethernet port for a reliable internet connection, and even USB-A ports for your peripherals. It's a solid setup for both productivity and entertainment. The 15.6-inch Full HD display is another highlight. With a resolution of 1920 by 1080, it delivers crisp visuals, making it ideal for watching videos, video conferencing, or even light gaming. The colors are vibrant, and the brightness is adequate for indoor use. It's also an anti-glare display, which means working outdoors or in bright environments is less of an issue. The overall design of the HP 255 G10 is sleek but functional. It's lightweight, portable, and durable enough to take on your everyday adventures. Whether that's commuting to work, sitting in a coffee shop, or simply lounging at home. Let's get into performance. The Ryzen 3 7330U is no slouch. It can easily handle daily tasks like web browsing, document editing, and video calls. We tested it with some light video editing, and the 16 GB of RAM really helps with rendering speeds. For casual gaming, it's capable of running most indie games smoothly. But don't expect it to handle AAA titles at high settings. Where the HP 255 G10 really shines is in multitasking. Running multiple apps at once is smooth, thanks to the ample RAM and the SSD. Applications open quickly, and switching between them is seamless. For those working from home or running a small business, this is a reliable choice. This laptop comes with Windows 11 Pro, the latest version of Microsoft's operating system. It's optimized for productivity with features like snap layouts, which allow you to organize your workspace efficiently. Windows 11 also offers enhanced security features, making it perfect for business users who need peace of mind when it comes to protecting their data. With Windows 11 Pro, you're getting all the tools you need to stay productive. From built-in Microsoft Office apps to seamless integration with cloud services like OneDrive, this laptop has everything you need for business or schoolwork. So, is the HP 255 G10 the right laptop for you? If you're looking for a device that combines powerful performance, large storage, and a crisp display, all at a budget-friendly price, then this might just be the one. Whether you're working from home, managing a business, or simply enjoying some entertainment, this laptop is ready to handle it all. If you liked this review, give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. And we'll see you in the next video.